Hi! In front of me is Vivo V21e, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on and use voice typing. You need to start by opening your device's keyboard. If microphone icon is not visible at the top right corner of it, click on this gear one instead. Now select voice typing and click on this switcher next to use voice typing to activate it. When you finished, go back. Now just click on microphone icon to start typing. When you finished, tap on the same one again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!